Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a no-code game engine and locking a minimal plan. Pick Construct 3 or Buildbox to avoid scripting. Once chosen, define the core loop, what the player does, how they win, and the reward. Make 3 quick screen sketches: menu, gameplay, and results. Collect placeholder assets now: 1 sprite per character, 1 sound effect, and 1 music loop so you can prototype. Doing this prevents scope creep and gives tangible pieces to wire into the engine immediately. Now you build a playable prototype to prove the idea. Drag your sprites into scenes, assign collision boxes, and attach pre-built behaviors: movement, jump, or enemy patrol, using the engine's visual events. Create a scoring variable and hook win or lose conditions to it so the flow is measurable. Playtest short loops for 30 to 60 seconds, then tweak physics, timings, and difficulty. Once done, make sure to record the changes and repeat until the prototype feels responsive and fun. Finish by replacing placeholders, polishing UI, and preparing an export. Add menus, feedback animations, and sounds so player actions feel satisfying. Then configure export settings, target platform, resolution, input mapping, and basic build optimizations. Test the build on the target device and watch for performance spikes. If things go wrong, isolate the failing scene and reproduce the error. Revert to the last working backup if needed, then reapply changes incrementally. This disciplined approach minimizes regressions and gets you to a stable release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.